So this is the final video dealing with the commercial process in Q-Floors. And this is the project we've been working on. I'm going to switch over to a different project that has a few more documents in it so we can take a look at something that's a little bit more filled out. So I'm just going to come back over and select project management again, and we are going to look at PCH cardiology. I'm going to select that. So now I have this different project that's up over here. You can see I have a bunch of different change orders, some in-process stuff, and then some completed orders down here too. So a little bit of everything in this project right here. If I come up and look at this, now I have the PCH cardiology. You can see there's numbers in almost every field. And by the way, the date, it does have significance here. You can see Sports Warehouse doesn't have one. That means that there's not been a bid attached here yet. So that's something that you can look at. If I double click on here, it shows me how I get the detail behind all of these columns right here. So this is a summary. This is a detail of how the numbers are adding up for each of those columns. The other thing that we have here that you can do is if I double click on original bid here, it will bring up that document right over here on the right hand side, or this change order. I can just double click and it brings it up just that fast over here. Okay, so just kind of looking at it, this gives us a good overview of a job, and you know, it could be that this job could have 50 or 60 or 70 documents just like this all combined into one project. So that may not be uncommon depending on what type of business that you have that you're running. Once I get all of my work completed, so at that point, my material handling is going to be zeros. There's not going to be any amounts on my material handling. And all I will have left are zeros on material handling, change orders, and completed jobs. And that's when I will be done with the total job. At that point, you can come in, and when you're done, you can actually go to the project management window here again and click on my PCH cardiology, and then hit the completed button here and hit save, and it will take it off of the active projects list. So that's really how you would wrap everything up, and kind of gives you a little bit of a view of where you should be in the end.